Employee attendance sheet calculate in Excel. Type is equal to count if first bracket, select your range, comma, then type double quotation mark P double quotation mark first bracket close. Then select all range and 3 times press F4 enter. Drag and drive. Click the total absent cell and change P to A enter. Again click total leave cell and change P to L enter. Select all and type Ctrl D. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.